Good day, sir and madam. My name is Melanie Arcade Gloria, Filipino. I am 42 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm married and I have two children, 19 years old and 9 years old. And my husband working is driver. And I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. And I am the youngest of the family. I graduated of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. About my working experience, I work in Singapore as a nursing aide, taking care of elderly. I also work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong since 2010 to 2014. Finished contract for 4 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, marketing, washing and ironing the clothes, cooking. I cook example of curry chicken, beef with broccoli, steamed fish. I taking care also of children, 5 years old and 4 years old. I send them to school, give their food on time, take them back every day, and I give their vitamins and medicine based on doctor's prescription, and I love and treat them as my own children. About myself, I am patient, honest, responsible, hardworking, and loyal. To my future employer, Sir, Madam, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.